Students, today we will discuss about chapter solution. We know that the solution is the combination of solute and solvent. When a solute dissolves in solvent, a solution is obtained. Solute may be present in small amount and solvent in large amount, but solution always in aggregation of solvent. As the definitions, solution is the homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent which aggregate in single phase. Means solution always present in the same phase of solvent. For example, when sugar dissolved in water, a solution is obtained. The solution will be present in aggregation phase of liquid water. And this is the thing. Solution of water and oil which are separate and have two layers. When oil dissolve in water, there is two layer is obtained, hence it is not a solution. Now we will discuss about the type of solution. There are different type of solution, and before this I want to say the type of solution depends upon solvent phase. It means when a solid is used as solvent, the solution is known as solid solution. A solution in which solid used as solvent known as solid solution. For example, solute solid present in solid solvent alloy is obtained. For example, brass is the homogeneous mixture of copper and zinc and it is solid solution. Next, liquid present in solid. For example, Hg means mercury is present in zinc and formation of amalgam. Next is gas present in solid like hydrogen adsorbed on the surface of palladium and this is known as occlusion. Next, the type of solution liquid solution. As the definition, a solution in which liquid used as solvent, the solution will be called liquid solution. For example, when solid present in liquid like sugar or sodium chloride dissolve in water known as liquid solution. Next is liquid present in liquid like alcohol dissolve in water, also liquid solution. Next is gas solute present in liquid. For example, oxygen dissolve in water. Everyone knows that oxygen present in water molecule, that is the liquid solution. Next, gaseous solution. As the definition, a solution in which gas used as solvent, this is known as gaseous solution. For example, when a solid present in gas like camphor dissolve in nitrogen. This is gaseous solution. Next one, liquid present in gas like humidity in air. Everyone knows that humidity when present in air, that is a gaseous solution. Next, when gas present in gas, atmospheric air mixture is the main example of this gaseous solution. Okay.